Welcome to Pixologist's 7-day mini boot camp on organizing photos for 2023. My name is Molly and I own Pixologist. Our team here has organized millions of photos for our clients, and we've helped them save their pictures and their memories so that they can be enjoyed today and passed on to future generations so that our stories will be remembered. We also have spent a lot of time teaching people how to organize their photos, and we've learned a few things along the way. In this mini boot camp, I'm planning on giving you about 7 lessons that are just 5 to 6 minutes, hopefully, to help you start planning how to get your pictures in order in the new year. And I've got a guide. If you click the link in the description, you can download it. This will help you track what we've talked about, make some notes, and maybe even some goals for yourself on how you want to approach saving your family memories. Let's dive into day 1. Today's topic is the trends in technology and digital photo management. I just have 3 to start with. And the first one is the subscription. We are paying subscriptions for many programs, apps, and services. It really can accumulate. Some of us are paying these services because we have pictures in multiple places and we're nervous about stopping it. That's really something we need to start thinking about, is getting our pictures out of these other places so that we might save a little bit on our subscriptions. The subscription model is not going anywhere. These tech companies love knowing that they have kind of a stream of revenue for months and even years to come. It's almost, it is a sign of strength for a company when they can say half of their revenue comes from recurring fees. So you're going to want to think about that trend, and I'm sure it's probably crossed your mind already. The next thing that's sort of related is the trend that I've seen. People are taking more photos and videos than ever, and why not? We're kind of used to now paying monthly for the storage that we need. And I think people have the bad habit of just taking pictures and not deleting them. So in the past, someone might have had a few thousand pictures on their phone. Well, now we have 20,000, 50,000 pictures and videos, and that takes up a lot of space. People no longer just need like the 5 gigabyte plan, and even the 200 gigabyte plan is not big enough for a lot of my clients. That means a subscription to Google or to iCloud goes from $2.99 a month to $9.99 a month. So this trend in taking more pictures and not deleting it is worrisome to me. The third area that I see is big tech is using artificial intelligence to help you manage your pictures on your mobile devices. It's just so common now, the facial recognition is working and object recognition. Even on my iPhone, which I have some screenshots here of my puppy, and when I click on the picture and select the I button, I learned that the photo has a dog in it. I did know that. And now my dog has a paw print on the picture. When I touch that, it brings up the breeds that it thinks my dog might be. And it's pretty accurate. He's a Cocker Spaniel. Then when I'm looking at the picture information, I can add a caption to it. These tech companies, I think, feel that mobile devices are the way to go for helping people save their photos, but I don't think that's a good long-term solution. I think people need to have their photo collections on their computers where they actually own their pictures. They have them physically in their possession. Sometimes when you have photos on your phone and the phone is optimized, your original pictures are being stored up in the cloud. So we see these tech companies having this artificial intelligence working in our pictures. That means they have a tremendous amount of data about our lives, and I'm not sure that's a good situation either. So how can you prepare for 2023 with these trends? I've got a few thoughts for you. One, you are going to want to evaluate how you want technology to interact with your photo collection. I mean, there's certainly some advantages to all those things that it can do. Second, you need to routinely delete photos and videos from your phone. This is so important, and people just don't take the time to do it. If it's really hard for you to delete the photos, try not taking as many. When you don't have as many to delete, it's psychologically a little easier to attack that problem. You also need to get your backlog of photos managed. So when you have pictures in Dropbox and Google Drive and iCloud, you're really paying for storage probably of a lot of duplicates. You need to get that managed, okay? And if you need help, I've got a link for a masterclass that I've offered on it. The last thing that you might want to consider is permanent photo storage. We are ambassadors for Forever, and this is a company that guarantees to migrate your pictures to the newest technology for your lifetime plus 100 years. And you pay for the storage once. There is no monthly subscription for it. So those are my tips to help you kind of think about preparing for all this technology and thinking about 2023. Do you have some thoughts about trends you've seen in this field? Definitely leave them in the comments below. I would love to read them, and I bet your thoughts might help someone else. So this is today's mini bootcamp lesson, and I hope this was helpful. I would love to talk with you about your photo organizing challenges. I'm aiming to interview 50 people between now and the end of the year about the things that they worry about with their collection. And I think it's really a fun conversation. I've been doing these for the last 18 months, and I've learned so much from you. All right, that is it. Next up tomorrow, it's day 2, and we'll be talking about finding your motivation to organize your photos. See ya!